I welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and D-Day has come. So the day for which you are preparing entire year, exam day is there, and I wish you all the very best for your exam. I'm sure you are going to do really good. And when I'm saying you are going to do really good, I'm not saying how many marks. I'm not expecting anything. You get 10 marks, 20 marks, 30 marks. As I told you earlier also, it does not matter. If you have put effort and if you have given your best, then it does not matter how much score do you get. And let me tell you another aspect here. Keep God with you. What is the meaning of that? And how do you define God? There are so many people in our country, and the beauty is everyone has different, culture, religion. They are from different region. People are of different religious groups, So everyone has belief in particular supernatural power, which we call God. Now, what I understand, God is something which is a power of strength. It's a positive power. It is something which we fall back on once things do not move positive. It is something which gives us confidence. It is the supernatural power on which we depend. We think that, okay, that supernatural power is going to do something good for us. I want you to keep God with you on the day of your exam. Now, what is the meaning of that? Suppose you keep God with you, and if you ask God, how many marks I'm going to get? Will you help me? What do you think God is going to tell you? He's going to tell you that don't bother. Don't bother. If you put effort, let's see what the result come. And suppose you put a lot of effort and you get very less marks. And if you ask God, why I got less marks? He will tell you, जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. Don't worry. There is something better for you. There is something which is good in this. That moment you may not realize it. That particular moment you may not realize it. Okay, what is good in getting low score? If I was expecting more score and I got low score, what is good in this? You may not realize at that moment. But when you see life over a span of years, then you will find that you should be happy in whatever you get. That is attitude. Whether you get less marks, you get failure, you get disease or anything, you should get satisfied in whatever you get. That is the mindset we have to develop if we want to lead a good life, peaceful life. But if you start questioning everything and if you start expecting things move as per your expectation, believe me, you are not going to have a very happy life. So do not think that life should move as per your expectation. It does not. You need to get satisfied and contented with whatever you get. And this philosophical line कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. So on the day of exam, suppose you are going to get less score, suppose you make many mistakes, suppose things do not move your way, just accept it that you are given the gift by him. Whether low marks or high marks does not matter. That is the meaning of it. Keep God with you and say thanks to God. You have given your best, you have attempted the paper. Now whatever marks you are going to get, you are going to accept it. That is the mentality with which you should go to the examination hall. And as I told you, whatever marks you get, if I tell you whatever marks you get, low marks, high marks, if there's a strategy and we are going to make the career, then what is the trouble? What is the fear? Why we should get bothered? Why we should get nervous? We should not. So you understand, whatever marks you get, immediately after exam, I'm going to discuss with you that we have the option, nothing to worry whether we get low marks, high marks, very high marks. All we have to do is first we did our best. Now we got our score. Now we have to convert our score and optimize our opportunities and options on the basis of whatever score we get it. So be positive. Take this positivity with you, what we call God. Take this positivity with you and just give your best in the examination hall also. So all the best for your exam. I'll meet you after the exam. Thank you.